Flickers! F you, man! Got you all on camera! Oh, you hit me, man!
Behind me.
Well, you have to look.
Alright.
Yeah, you just hit me.
Yeah, but I mean, I didn't expect everybody to be behind. Yeah, but I mean, I didn't expect everybody to be behind.
Well, you have to look. Fucking hell, man. Seriously. I'm fine.
Look, man.
Unbelievable, dude.
I look back, I might be on this side of the traffic.
No, you scratched it here. You cracked the knob came off. Come on, man. Why didn't you look?
I did.
I was on the bike, so I'm up high. I need your license.
I did look.
No, you didn't look. You hit me.
You've hit me. Move back. Move back. You've hit me. Pull over.
Just fucking come on and come straight in front of another car. You come out the side here, you can fuck off.
No,
All
that's
right.
not how it works.
That's how it works. You don't just come in and try and push your way into one side.
I
Is
couldn't go further anymore, so
don't
I
go
need
at
to
all.
be in a lane.
You're not in a lane.
Don't do it at all.
You're not in a lane.
I'm
You're just
legally
coming
allowed
in
to
front
do
of
it.
me.
Alright,
You're fucking lucky to have wheelbarrow would have just pushed you fucking out of the way.
okay.
Because
That's good. Well, you can
Yes.
explain it to the police, buddy, because
Oh.
you have no idea what the law is. Thankfully, I got you on video. Yeah.
yeah, lucky you didn't do it anyway.
Mate,
put
you
a
move
crack in front of
forward. You move forward and hit my leg. I was in front of you.
You're in the
Talk to the cops, buddy.
NRMA, okay.
NRMA!
Yeah, yeah.
Jesus
NRMA.
f***ing Christ!
You hate me, man. When I'm not angry, you have to not angry, you know?
I don't care, I'm very angry. One, you pulled in front of me without indicating.
Man.
You then pulled up without
Look,
your
brother.
bloody tail lights
you
don't f***ing work.
You was very, very slow and I changed my line. I changed my line, then you have no right to come in.
What is your phone number?
Huh?
No, that damage is on that side.
Yeah.
You've obviously pulled over in front of him.
No, I was
What-
in my line.
what
He
is
come
your
from this
phone
line and
number?
say, it is not in this line, in that line.
I think you guys better call
Yeah.
police on
What?
that.
Is you right? You guys alright, man?
Where's the expedition go?
I don't know.
The expedition goes. What the man?
Lunatic, goddamn, I'm a lunatic.